we are, another unboxification. This time it's going to be the Berserk Enhanced Edition. I present it thusly. See if I can get most of the glare out of there. I'm also covering up the label here. So that's how the box looks in the front. In the back, some screenshots, some generic information about the background of Berserk. No real information on how to play it though. Side, underneath. And there's the top. Let's open up the top. Oh, I love this box in a box stuff that they've started here. And there's Berserk. Probably telling you that's for the Atari 2600, just so there's any confusion. This is in there. And let's get rid of the glare again. The end again. Nothing much on this. No protective cover. And for comparison, here is my Sears Telegames version. Again, the glare. And here's the end. This did have the protective cover. So, not much else to say. Unless there's something in the box. Nope, there isn't. No instructions, which I think is a bad move. I, of course, have the original manual, but how are people supposed to know this? This is what each game variation represents. They kind of need this as a minimum, I think. Anyway, I'll give a quick review after I've had some practice. Just going to do a quick playthrough of the new version. Just kind of go over the new enhancements that they got in here. Nothing too spectacular, but first thing you notice, they use a different font. The original Berserk had kind of a blocky font. It made it kind of hard to read in some situations. This is easier to read, and it kind of still fits the style of the game. The other thing they changed is the robots do shoot diagonal now. I'm in a non-shooting round, so let me get through this real quick. And that's the other change. We now have a talking voice. So they must have put a Vox voice in it. Oh, there's Evil Auto. I'm using variation too, so we have rebound Evil Auto, so when I shoot it, it goes away. Okay. We are now in where they're shooting at me. Let's see if I can get like to trigger a diagonal shot. Didn't do it there. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get this guy to shoot. Come on, shoot diagonal. There's a diagonal shot. That is not in the original game. So that adds a little difficulty to the game here. But yeah, let's see if we can. Come on, shoot diagonal. You dummy. Ah! Okay. Well, you get a feel for it. And now I will let me quickly put the original back in. So this is the 1982 version. So yeah, you can see the blockier font there. And when I finish a level, nothing, no talking. And yeah, and all the shots will be either horizontal or vertical, no diagonal. So I think that's a good summary of what's going on here. It adds a little flavor to it. Nothing spectacular though, but it's nice. I like it. That concludes this little video. That.